Hello my dear student, last class we have discussed how to measure an angle by using protractor and naming of an angle also. Today we are going to discuss the types of angles. Before going to the types of angles, I will tell you the other definition of an angle. So ABC. So BAC is an angle, no? Because this one is the initial ray. So this one is initial and this one is final ray, no? Final ray. So what is the other definition of an angle? The distance through which a ray moves from initial position to final position. This is the distance, no? Distance between initial and final ray. That is the distance through which ray moves from initial to final position. Okay, final position is called as angle. Okay, I hope you understand the definition of an angle. Otherwise, I already explained that definition of angle. So next, types of angle. So first one, types of angle. First one is zero angle. Zero angle. So what is the definition of a zero angle? If the initial ray doesn't move to any distance, that means no angle formed. No. How to represent that one? So this is the vertex. This is AO. So this one is the initial ray, but there is no final ray here. That means initial ray doesn't move to any distance. No angle formed is called as zero angle. So what is the definition of a zero angle? The initial ray does not move to any distance. No angle formed. No angle formed is called as zero angle. Is called as zero angle. Is called as zero angle. It is the measure of otherwise definition of zero angle. What is the definition of zero angle? Measure of an angle is 0 degree. This is also definition of a zero angle. Okay, measure of an angle is 0 degree. Okay, so this is the representation of zero angle. So next one, acute angle. Acute angle. So if you want the simple definition of acute angle, the measure of an angle is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. What is that? How to represent it? A, B, C. Okay. The measure of an angle is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. It is called as acute angle. Otherwise, this is initial ray and this is final ray. Initial ray and final rays are in between 0 degree and 90 degree. It is called as acute angle. Otherwise, simple definition of acute angle: the measure of an angle is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. It is called as acute angle. So measure of an angle is in between 0 degree and 90 degree, or the initial ray, the initial and final rays are in between which degrees? 0 degree and 90 degree. 0 degree and 90 degree. So this is the representation of acute angle. So example, take it as this one is 50 degree. So ABC equals to 50 degree. Other examples, in between 0 and 90, many numbers are there. So 35 degree, we can take 1 degree also, we can take 89 degree, okay, but we can't take 90 degree. Why? I will explain later. So 50 degree, 35 degree, 1 degree, 89 degree. If you want to write down the examples, write down, okay. So third one is right angle. So what is the representation of a right angle? Right angle means exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. So give the names P, Q, R. So what is the definition of a right angle? Right angle means the measure of an angle is exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree is called as right angle. Okay. Otherwise, the distance between initial ray and final ray is 90 degree. Otherwise, the final ray lies on 90 degree. Lies on 90 degree. So this one is a final ray. So final ray lies on 90 degree. So simple definition is measure of an angle is exactly 90 degree. It is called as right angle. Measure of an angle is exactly 90 degree. It is called right angle. So example, take it P, Q, R angle, that is 90 degree. So this is a symbol for 90 degree, that is right angle. Okay. So next one, after that right angle, obtuse angle. So what is the definition of obtuse angle? So first see here, x, y, z. So definition of obtuse angle. So this is an angle. So what is the definition of obtuse angle? Obtuse angle means the measure of an angle is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. What is the definition of obtuse angle? The measure of an angle is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. Otherwise, the distance between initial ray and final ray are in between 90 degree and 180 degree is called as obtuse angle. So definition of obtuse angle is the measure of an angle is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. Otherwise, initial and final rays are in between which degrees? 0 degree and 90 degree and 180 degree. This is called as obtuse angle. Okay. So example, take take this x, y, z. Take it maybe 135 degree. So 135 degree. You can get another examples for obtuse angle. I'll write 91 is also possible. 179, 120, etc. etc. Okay. This one is straight angle. So what is the definition of a straight angle? So first represent P, Q and R. So first PQ is the initial ray, PR is the final ray. Okay. So what is the definition of a straight angle? The measure of an angle is exactly equals to 180 degree. Is called as straight angle. Straight means straight line. No? Straight line means you will get exactly 180 degree. That is 180 degree. Is called as straight angle. Otherwise, if the final ray lies on 180 degree, the angle formed between initial ray and final ray is called as straight angle. What is the definition of a straight angle? The measure of an angle is exactly equals to 180 degree. Otherwise, the final ray lies on 180 degree. Then the angle formed between initial ray and final ray is called as straight angle. So simple definition is measure of an angle is exactly equal to 180 degree. Okay. Otherwise, another definition, if the final ray lies on 180 degree, no, then the angle formed between what? Initial ray, final ray, no? Between initial ray and final ray is called straight angle. Straight angle. Okay. So this one is, how to write this one? Q P R or R P Q. Both are same. Q P R equals to 180 degree. So this is a straight